Okay, today I have two Bumbleride strollers which have air-filled tires, and I'm going to be talking to you about whether you should get air-filled tires or not air-filled tires. Now, most strollers that you are looking at are going to have plastic tires, EVA foam. But Bumbleride strollers, and there are other brands that also have air-filled tires, have chosen that mechanism for their strollers. And there's a reason why. I really believe that air-filled tires are the best in terms of performance. And if you live in a place where there are lots of parks, or if you're going to go to the beach, or if you're going to go running, or if you're going to be, like here in Boston, in the snow in the winter, these are going to perform the best. Now, you can see I'm here in a park right now, so I came on purpose to show you how well these strollers work in a park. So I have, this is the Bumbleride Indy, and this is the Bumbleride Speed. I do a comparison of these strollers on the channel, so you can like and subscribe and check out this video after you watch this video about air-filled tires. Okay, now you can see me walking. It is effortless pushing, really effortless pushing. So if you were to visit a Magic Bean store, we would highly encourage you to take a stroller test drive. But if you think about it, there are lots of different things to consider when you're buying a stroller. How big is the basket? How light does it fold? What car seats go with it? I know it's extremely confusing. You should book a consultation. We'll walk you through it. But for me, the most important thing is performance. Because if you can't get out of your house in the winter, in the summer, going to the beach, going through the park, etc., meeting up with your other parent friends to go for that walk, you really want a stroller that's going to perform. And like I said, air-filled tires are, in my opinion, the way to go. So I'm just pushing this. I'll just walk over here a little bit more. You can see really effortless pushing, It's pretty amazing. Now, I want to tell you a little bit of a story. So when we first opened Magic Beans in 2004, you basically had plastic wheels, like not great, mass markety, very plasticky. This is what I had for my first kid. It was not a good stroller. But then they had a sort of a renaissance in about 2004, right around when Bumbleride started, with these three-wheeled air-filled tires. And let me tell you, this is what we recommended day in and day out. And when we'd have our customers come into the store with those small plastic wheels, and I'd watch them out the window of our store trying to get over a snowbank, or there's actually railroad tracks, trolley tracks in Boston, trying to get over the trolley tracks, and the wheels would get stuck. But what we'd do is we'd recommend people get a stroller with air-filled tires like a Bumbleride, and it would work the best. And they push them out the door, and they go like literally, whoop, right over the snowbank. I'm serious, it's pretty amazing. So here are some reasons why people say like I don't want to get air-filled tires, is because there are those they're inner tubes that can deflate. A couple things is super easy to pump up. These are really high quality wheels and inner tubes. You're not going to have to inflate them that frequently, but you have to do it with bikes, and this is definitely a reason why you may want to stick with a plastic wheel. If they puncture, you can go to your local bike shop. These are standard inner tubes. You can learn to go to YouTube, learn how to, if you're sort of technical and mechanical, you can change your inner tube yourself. But like I said, here in Boston, local bike shop will replace your inner tube and for $8, and probably will like lube up your stroller as well. So this is just a really great way to roll. It's going to be very convenient. You're going to be able to get out with your baby, and I think that's going to lead to better bonding, better happiness. And you can buy Bumbleride strollers and any other stroller that you're looking for from us, from Magic Beans, with free shipping. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.